Hello everyone. Hello. My name is Zoya. Today I am doing debate on a very supercalifragilisticexpialidocious topic that sports should be mandatory in schools or not. So in my opinion, sports should be mandatory in schools. So it is scientifically proven that sports improves blood flow to the brain, which helps in concentration power of the brain. When we play sports, so at that time, two chemicals release in our body, endorphin and dopamine. And endorphin is responsible for reduces stress, and dopamine is responsible for fitness and activeness. And students should active. So that's why sports is very important for students. And sports teach us about our health, our body. It gives knowledge about yoga, meditation, exercise, etc. So because of this, our metabolism consolidates. And when we will do yoga, so because of this, our bones, our muscles will consolidate. And it is very beneficial for students because bones develop until the age of 25. So it is a growing phase for a student. So that's why sports is very important for students.
So hello everyone. As we all know that we are doing debate on a very complicated topic, that is sports should be mandatory in our schools or not. Well, I believe that sports should not be mandatory. And why do I think? Whenever I hear the name sports, it's good. But when it added mandatory in sports, so it doesn't seem good. Means it's totally bad. Why do I think? Because mandatory means compulsory for everyone. It doesn't see that who has limitations, who has physical issues, who has these kind of who has issues. It won't see. It would be compulsory for everyone. Means when if sports is mandatory in our school, so at that moment everyone has to play, everyone has to do sports and has to participate in sports. Means everyone would be forced by teachers that you have to participate. And according to a study, it says that if a person is forced to do what he or she doesn't want to do, at that moment he or she loses her confidence in other things too. So that's the reason that I think sports should not be mandatory in our schools.
Okay. So listen, as she said that students lost their confidence. So sister, listen, if I talk about teamwork as well as leadership, so in schools, in every classroom, there are a lot of students who don't talk with their teachers, with the students. Why? Because of hesitation and low confidence. And when they will study about sports as well as they will play sports, so automatically confidence will develop in students because they will get communication skills. They will know that how to do teamwork as well as leadership. They will get confidence. So that's why it is not like that.
I want to say here that as she was mentioning about communication skills, that we are getting communication skills because of sports and all. I don't agree here, because whenever we sit in our class, so at that moment we do communication. We are getting communication with the help of our schools, not because of our sports, not because of our sport teacher. Means sports are good in our schools. But it doesn't mean that they should be mandatory in our schools. And my second argument is about limitation, physical issues. As we all know that everyone is not same at all. Means someone can have limitations, means someone can have physical issues, that paralysis, can have injuries in his or her legs. So at that moment, how can they play sports? So why do we think that sports should be mandatory? And because of the sports, we can get injuries. I agree here that we get injuries in many things. But if we can make our health with the help of yoga, so why do we need to do sports and all?
Okay. As you are saying that you are talking about handicapped people. So you don't know, in sports also teach us about handicapped people, how to talk with handicapped people, what is the scope about handicapped people. It is not like that. Okay. And if I talk about scholarship, so when sports will be mandatory in schools, so people will participate in competitions, they will get opportunity to show their talent. And in schools, in colleges, even in foreign countries, there are scholarships for those people who want to make their career in sports.
Sister, as you are mentioning about that they can show their talent by playing sports and all, we are having sports period also, and students who are interested in sports, they are partaking in these kind of things. So why do you think that we need these kind of things? It's not like this, as you, Saji.
That is not enough.